What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and today we're gonna be cleaning these Jordan 1 University Blues that, as you can see, definitely need a cleanup. So we're gonna be doing that today using Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, for today's video, guys, I am only gonna be cleaning the right shoe, so I'm gonna put the left one to the side. And as always, the first step, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, we're gonna go ahead and grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 9, so I'm gonna take this about there, insert it into the shoe. What that's gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure to this toe box, and it's also gonna reduce the creasing as well. So the next step is to grab your Reshoevn8r bottle of solution and squirt 2 small squirts into your bowl of water. And I'm gonna start cleaning with the soft bristle brush. So there you go, guys. I am done cleaning the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush. Now, as you can see, the suede has definitely gotten a darker blue, but I'm not too worried because I'm sure when it dries, it's gonna dry evenly and lighten up. However, I do gotta move on to the midsole with the medium brush. Now, the stitching is a little stained and it is brown. I'm not sure if I'll be able to bring it back to its natural white, but we're gonna try doing it with the medium brush. If that doesn't work, I'll hit up the midsoles with the stiff brush as well. So let's get into that. All right, guys, I am done hitting up the midsole. I went ahead and got all the stitching as clean as possible. Unfortunately, it's still a little dingy, but hopefully when it dries up, it comes back to its at least closest white as possible. But now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the outsole and use that same stiff bristle brush. There you go, guys. I am done hitting up the entire outsole. Now the last step before letting these dry is to clean the laces. All you have to do is dunk them in your bowl of solution and water mixture. Get it nice and soapy. Just rub them in between your hands. All right, and then we'll let this dry for a couple hours and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoes dry for about an hour. And as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but the texture on the suede is a little crunchy and you can't see like the nice, soft, smooth suede going back and forth. Let's go ahead and get a little close up for your viewing pleasure. So we're gonna go ahead and reset the nap using our dry suede kit, which actually comes with kind of like a medium brush, but you definitely want to use this to reset the nap. And all you have to do is hit it in multiple directions. Just gently let the brush do its thing. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. Let me go ahead and show you a side-by-side comparison of what it looked like before and of course after using the Essential Kit along with that dry suede kit to bring back the nap. Look at how nice and buttery that suede is. Now remember, guys, you can cop all the products that I used in today's video at Reshoevn8r.com. I'm Jonny Bubbles. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next Shoe Care Academy video. Peace.